sunrise.
To our fathers, to our fathers, to our fathers, to our fathers, we will ask.
We left our homes in search of hope,
Leaving behind the ones we love,
we walked so many weary roads,
with dreams alive inside our hearts.
but tears became our closest friend.
And hope was tested every day.
Children of Zimbabwe are asking,
Has love disappeared from the world?
can one African,
Become another's enemy?
can a child of this continent
Be left without a home?
We are longing for peace, we are longing for love.
To our fathers, we will ask, why must children run from home? To our fathers, we will ask, why do brothers fight each other?
Father,
Please answer us,
mother,
please comfort us.
Zimbabwe,
Rise again,
Africa,
stand together.
morning comes, we're still waiting.
Buses filled with silent tears,
A little child sleeps on a suitcase.
whispering softly, when are we going home?
Every heartbeat carries sorrow.
Yet hope has not completely gone.
We believe tomorrow's sunrise.
Will shine on us once more.
Who will answer us?
Our fathers,
Who will comfort us
our fathers, who will give us strength? Our fathers,
when we arrive?
we will ask. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe,
We don't want hatred,
we choose to love,
we don't want sorrow.
we choose to smile,
Let us stand as one family.
building hope for every child.
Let forgiveness light our future.
Let compassion